feel the buzz in this city all day long, and we are seconds away now for this opening faceoff. Don't you just love playoff hockey? Listen to this place. Let's get after it. Tough save by the goalie. Dostal's going to opt for the whistle and give everybody a chance to breathe.
Sometimes you get running around as the shift gets long. This helps.
We're still in the early stages of this period. The game is still scoreless. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. San Francisco's got control of it now from their own end. Made the save on the play.
I like how he was able to follow the puck. Good save in close.
Now into the offensive zone from the right side. Settles things down and gets control of it once again. Here he is with the backhander. He scores his first career playoff goal.
Different level of excitement, James. You score in the regular season, that's one thing. You get another one in the playoffs, and you are pumped.
The Ice Dogs were preaching good start before this one, and they've done that so far.
What a great start for them. They get aggressively after it in the first 5 minutes of this period, and they're rewarded with a goal.
Moves it quickly over to Griffith. There's the whistle. Let's get the call from the officials.
That penalty puts the whole bench in a little bit of uneasiness. They got a one-goal lead, but they're shorthanded.
Dragons get their man advantage unit out there for the first time tonight.
They've been running around trying to get this game tied up. They earn a power play, and now they'll have that chance. Quick puck movement always seems to work best for them.
Trying to get something going here with this man advantage as they start from their own end. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Edmonton's on the attack. Quick feed to Benson. Denies them in close. Scores! And the power play goal puts us back to a tie game.
All that work to try and get even, but you need the power play to help you out once in a while. They were sharp, efficient, and now this game is tied with that power play marker.
James Cybulski, Ray Ferraro with you here in the early going of this period. It's all tied up. Puck is dropped, play resumes. Receives the pass. Edmonton's looking to break out of their own end. Malone's got it in the offensive zone. And that pass doesn't go. Play whistle dead, penalty coming up. White's going off for interference.
More and more commonplace around the league is this 1-3-1 set. We saw it earlier in the game, and you start to create mismatches all over the ice with the players moving and creating shots.
And that got caught up in traffic and goes off the stick. And that's off target as it hits a body. Edmonton's going to play the puck from behind the cage. The Dragons have it now. Beautiful feed up ahead from the right wing side. Oh, and that's poked away in the offensive zone by Esposito. Malone's got control of it now behind the cage. Gains the zone. Almost lost the puck, but hangs on here as play continues. Poked away. Picked up along the boards by Niemelainen. We got a penalty coming up here on the play. There's the whistle, and here's the call.
The coach just looks skyward as his team's taken its third penalty of this period.
And with the call, it's a huge opportunity for the power play, a 5-on-3.
You can almost feel like you're licking your chops here with a 5-on-3 power play. Attack the net. See if you can get some chances early.
Here's a short pass to Benson. Nice play shorthanded as they get control of the puck. Edmonton's got it behind the net. And now they look to make something happen from the neutral zone. He grabs the puck here at the point. Turned aside. Dostal's going to smother it to get a whistle.
Can get dangerous if nobody's in control of the puck.
Another big face-off looming as this power play rolls on here tonight. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Great hand dive by the goaltender, poking it away. Takes it to the net. Quick feed down low. Hammers the one-timer. And that one going off the defender for an own goal. Edmonton's effort pays off, and they take the one-goal lead.
You can't even really relax. I mean, it's so much time left in the game. You've got the lead. That's great. Now go and get another one.
Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Couldn't make the connection on the play. Tried to make a move, and the puck hops away.
Don't mind the idea, but it doesn't work. Now you got to chase.
San Francisco's got a hold of it along the wall. Takes the feed. Gains the zone along the right wall. San Francisco's got a hold of it against the wall. Edmonton's got possession here in the neutral zone. Puck grabbed by Tracy. Skates to the crease. Edmonton's regained possession of the puck. San Francisco's gained possession. An easy save by Pickard. Edmonton's got a hold of the puck. Quick pass to Esposito. Moves the puck. And now it's over to McPhee. Along the half wall with the puck. Stopped by the goaltender. Dostal's on top of the puck, and that'll stop the play.
Pretty conservative play here, James, as he covers it up to kill the play.
More than half the period has gone by. Hope you're enjoying this one. The Dragons have taken the lead here over the last few minutes. They'd love to build on it. And from off the wing, he comes up with it with both centers scrummed up. Oh, they couldn't connect on the play. McPhee's got it along the boards. Shot! Great save! Finds some space in the corner. This is the net, but what an opportunity!
He works hard to get into that spot. If you continue to do that, eventually you're going to come through. You'll punch through if you can get to that spot again.
And now he moves it quickly to Kirkland. And change is coming up front as the puck is sent in deep. Along the wing up the neutral zone. San Francisco's ready to go on the attack. Into the offensive end, right up the middle. San Francisco's got the puck along the boards. Just a crushing hit against the wall. Edmonton's looking to break out. San Francisco's got control of it now here in the offensive end. Edmonton's got the puck inside the defensive zone. And he takes the feed. San Francisco's gained possession along the boards. And sends it just out of reach. Mahuras lugging the puck. Slick feed. Through the neutral zone now, picking up steam. First period nearly in the books here. Dumps it into the ozone. San Francisco's got the puck along the wall. Moves it to Malone. Oh, they probably want a redo on that. Steps inside the line. Well, fun start to this one as period number one comes to an end. We've still got lots more still in store. Kids are coming out on the ice here to play the little mini prospects game, and we'll be back with more. We are about ready to get underway here for the second period. Second frame is underway as the puck is dropped. Ray Ferraro sees the game like very few people do. Ray, what did you make of that first 20 minutes?
San Francisco's first period was a mess. I mean, they were late to almost every puck. They started sluggishly, like they didn't have their legs. Sometimes that happens. Now they got to find a way to get back in the game, James, and it's got to start now.
Still plenty of time left in this frame. It's 2-1. Dragons win possession here in the open ice. Edmonton's got the puck. Slides it across to Griffith. Edmonton's playing it from the side. Moves it quickly over to Benson. Sends the pass down low. Dostal's going to cover up the puck here for a whistle.
He makes a safe play and kills the play before any other damage can be done.
Puck ready to drop here any moment to get things underway again. And with the centers tied up, he swoops in to take possession. Takes a shot, and not much on that one. Pickard stopped the puck, and he's going to go for the whistle here.
He hasn't had a lot to do this period, but he's been excellent and has been able to control the pace of play.
Good heads-up play to sneak in there on the tie-up and come up with the puck. Takes a shot. Big-time stop. Oh, another great save right there. San Francisco's got a hold of the puck. Pass broken up. Manages to hang on. The Ice Dogs pick up steam and are on the attack. Oh, he had the right idea, but couldn't make that play with the pass. Quick feed to Samorukov. Inside the offensive end, now down the left. Shot!
Oh, he laid a solid hit on him there. He was waiting for him and laid the shoulder right into him.
That might loosen a few of the choppers on that play. Nearing the midway mark of the period. The Dragons lead at 2-1 in what has been an entertaining game thus far. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Make it 3-0!
And is this ever going to stop? It looks like they're going to score at will here, James. Dominating and taking control of this game.
Edmonton's now made their way back to center ice for the faceoff. I see a lot of movement, a lot of talking on the bench right now. What's the message, Ray?
Coaches are going up and down the bench, telling the players to stay on it. Don't back up.
San Francisco's got a hold of the puck off the draw. And he takes the feed. Can't find his man. Edmonton's moving it up the ice. Moves it up through the middle from the right. Fails to find the open man. Through center along the wing. Tries to feed it across. Scrum along the wall. Grabs the puck. And now he angles it across to Esposito. Edmonton's trying to make something happen in the offensive zone. And he takes a shot. And that's off the glove and will play on.
That's an impressive save, James, because at one point, the goalie totally loses where the puck is, but he stays calm, finds it again, and then makes the save.
Play ready to resume as everybody lines in for the faceoff. DeLeo's won the draw in his own end. Now let's see if they can clear it. San Francisco's got it against the boards. Gets the puck in deep. Slides it up ahead from the right wing. Both sides mixed up for that battle for the puck along the wall. Stopped by the goaltender.
Great tracking. He finds the puck. He gets the glove up. Makes the save on a dangerous chance.
Here in the back half of this period, Edmonton's really controlled the pace of play these last few minutes, leading by 2. Handles the puck at the point, and that's broken up. Sends it in on the attack. And now it's to O'Regan. Across the line. Perreault's taking a nasty whack, and that's going to draw a penalty. Here comes the official's decision.
I think you just get all consumed with the play here. You're hunting the puck down, and you don't even realize you're taking a slashing penalty.
Our first opportunity to look at the power play unit set to go to work.
The power play guys are hungry and over the boards quickly. This is their first power play tonight. Of course, it starts with a face-off in the offensive zone.
Big time stop by Pickard.
The goalie reads his play really well. He gets out aggressively to make the save. That's a low slot shot. It happens quick, but he's in the right spot to make that save.
Rincha's gliding in for the face-off as this penalty kill will continue. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Gets it out of his own end. Handles the puck. O'Regan's got it through center. Puck picked up by Mahura. Here's a short pass to O'Regan. Oh, he got all of that with a blocker. What a stop by Pickard.
Yeah, he's a sharp save, James. Right in the middle of the ice, he makes the stop and pushes it away.
Dumps it in. San Francisco's got a hold of it along the wall. Quick pass to DeLeo. San Francisco's got it along the wall. Trying to clear the puck from his own end. We got a whistle as the puck goes out of play. They'll get set to drop the puck as this power play continues. Edmonton's got it in the defensive zone. Broken up by Esposito. San Francisco's got the puck here in the open ice. Pass across to Perreault. Nice poke check. Pinned up along the boards. Moves it to Tracy. A feed out front. Oh, and he keeps it here. San Francisco's got the puck behind the net. Here they come inside the neutral zone. They put the puck into the offensive end. San Francisco's got a hold of it against the wall. Here they come on the attack. And as both teams are now back at even strength, the puck puts it in for the goal, and the rookie is on the board.
What a nice way to jump into your first playoff year. You get on the board, and you can relax a bit.
San Francisco's got new life here in this second period, Ray.
It's amazing what a goal does. The energy on the bench changes. Guys can't wait to get on for their next shift.
From the neutral zone now. Shot! He scores! Now there's a response.
That's exactly how you would draw it up. You give up the goal. What can we do to get it back? That's as perfect as he can.
Impressive. Edmonton's looking to preserve this two-goal lead right to the intermission.
Well, they'd love to get it in the spot that they're in, and then guaranteed the coaches will talk about there's still 20 minutes left. Stay after it.
Oh, what a chance, and it goes sideways. And he takes the pass. Comes up with the stop.
Pickard's had a difficult night tonight. He's really struggled with the puck bouncing around on him. That was a sharp save there. I like the way he controlled the puck. He's lucky, though, that his teammates have bailed him out with a good offensive night.
And now he moves it to Godet. On the attack along the boards. From the back of the cage with the puck. Big save in front.
It's a really good save. In tight, he shuts down the area where the puck can go by getting out onto the puck, and there's nowhere for the shooter to put it.
Here's a shot. Way too much congestion blocks that. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Edmonton's got possession of the puck. And now he tries to get it across to Benson. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Malone. Can't make it work. And there's the buzzer bringing the second period to an end. You don't want to go home yet, do you? Third period action still to come. Welcome back. James Cybulski ready to bring you all the play-by-play. Moment of truth for one team. Here we go. Third period is underway. Ray Ferraro is between the benches at ice level. Ray, we've got 40 minutes played so far. How have you viewed things?
San Francisco's had such a meager total of shots on goal. Predictably, they haven't scored. They've got to get more pucks to the net.
Edmonton's gained possession along the boards. They try to maintain possession inside the defensive zone. Turns it aside with the glove. And the puck stopper jumps on top of it to get a stoppage in play. Lots of time left in this period. Edmonton's been the better club as they hold a 4-2 lead at this point. The Ice Dogs win it. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Takes the feed at the point. Up to the challenge as he gets his pad on it. Quick pass across to Benson. Edmonton's got it across the line. Oh, how do you miss?
Well, we say that, James, because it looks so easy, but he's got to get rid of it quickly. He's trying to be perfect. He just misses the net wide.
Inching closer to the midway mark of this period. Edmonton's doubled up on them. It's now 4-2. Lavoie's won the draw, and they'll look to set up. He scores! And look who it is who delivers!
Oh, it's the young guy. They don't really expect that your young guys are going to carry your team, but he's on the board with his first career playoff goal.
Edmonton's all too aware there's no mercy rule in hockey. They continue to apply the pressure.
No, they're laying a beating on these guys now. It may be time to lay back just a bit.
And play resumes as the puck is dropped. Oh, he'd like to have that pass back. Puts it on in, and he gets just enough of it to keep it out from the back of the net. Edmonton's got the puck along the boards. Grabs the puck in the corner. Moves it quickly over to Lavoie. He scores! And this place is going bananas. They know what the moment's all about.
Well, I guess we know who the first star is probably going to be. That's 3 for him tonight.
Edmonton's only continued to extend the lead here in the third.
They haven't missed many chances. They've scored at will, and now we're coasting home.
The Dragons win the draw here in the neutral zone. Quick feed to Desharnais. The Dragons move the puck in the defensive zone. Edmonton's in on the offensive attack now. Great hits up play with the stick by Juolevi. Scooped up along the wall by Strand. Edmonton's gained possession along the boards. Oh, stick save and a beaut. Edmonton's got it in the neutral zone. Here's a short pass to Malone. Can't make the connection on the pass. And that pass doesn't go. Here's a shot. Pickard's going to cover it up and get a whistle.
Even with the traffic starting to close in, he had to grab that when he did.
Centers are lined up, and we are ready to resume. The Ice Dogs win the draw. Too much traffic in the lane. Answered the call there.
Yeah, he looked banged up earlier in the shift, James, and he's just trying to get himself to the bench off the ice to get some treatment.
Errant pass, and they can't connect. Edmonton's got the puck in the defensive end. Gains the zone from the right. The Ice Dogs have it against the wall. Couldn't make the connection on the play. And now it's over to Brouillard. Takes a wrist shot, turns it away. Along the boards, they battle for the puck. The Dragons gain possession along the wall. San Francisco's got possession at center. Into the attacking end. Here's a pass down low. Pass back to the point. Grabbed along the boards by McPhee. San Francisco's got the puck. Through the open ice, they're picking up steam. Quick pass to Brouillard. Picked up along the wall by Perreault. And they continue to fight for that puck along the wall. Kambeets takes it inside his own end. Moves it to Esposito. Edmonton's got it along the wall. San Francisco's got the puck against the boards. Grew's got control of the puck in the corner. Huge blocker save by Pickard. Edmonton's got the puck along the wall. Along the side, here they come through the neutral zone. Looks to make a play over
jumped on it pretty quickly there, and like everything else tonight, he's really looked in control. He's had an excellent game. Oh, it looked like he took a big hit there. Let's get another look at that. I think he's shaken up. White's not going to be able to stay in the game here. He's gone over the bench and into the tunnel where he's limping his way back to the locker room.
Let's see if we can try to get an update as soon as possible from the medical staff. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Great stop by Pickard. Pokes it away in his own end. The Dragons will play it from the defensive zone. Passes the puck over to Benson. And that's broken up in the defensive zone by Mahura. Tries to make a move and can't hang on to the puck.
Groove's trying to change this game all by himself. That's not going to work. I mean, I don't fault the effort. It's just simple is sometimes a lot better.
Moves it quickly over to Mahura. And he comes up with it. And as the final seconds tick away,